Hello everyone and welcome to my Scribus tutorial series. In this video I will show you how to change character styles in a document on Scribus. In the previous tutorial, we learned how to change the paragraph styles. This video is the same process as the previous video tutorial. Go to Edit, go to Styles, or you can press F4 on your keyboard to open the Style Manager. In the previous video we choose the paragraph styles. Now we choose the character styles since that's our goal in this video. Click the default character style, click Edit, and then go to Properties tab. We can now edit the text characters. To make a new character style, go to New. Click Character Style. Name your new character style. I will call this Character 2. Now I want to change the font size to 15 points and the character color to color red. Click Apply. Now I will highlight all the characters. Go to the default character style and click the Character 2. You can also highlight only one character. And that's pretty much of it on how to change the character styles in a document on Scribus. If you want to watch another video related, or relevant to this video you're watching right now, I have a playlist for you to watch. Just click right here. It has a list of sequenced video tutorials for you to watch. I recommended to you to watch this video tutorials in a sequence, starting from top to bottom video. If this video found to be helpful or useful, leave a comment below, and also make sure to like, share, subscribe, and click the bell notification icon for more tutorial videos in the future. Thank you for watching this video and I will see you in the next video. Take care.